In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open Facebook application. At the top right corner of your screens, you will see these three horizontal lines. So click on it. Then click on this settings icon. Click on personal and account information. Then click on account ownership and control. Select deactivation and deletion. Select delete account and then click on continue to account deletion. Once again, click on continue to account deletion. Scroll down to the bottom and click on delete account option. Now enter your Facebook account password. Once you have done that, click on continue. Then click on this delete account option. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deleted permanently. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.